Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about the direction, the levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. So this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and again, yesterday after a good fall, and the price actually traded below and closed below than this 19,000 level just day before yesterday, and that was the reason, the price is again coming back and it closed higher than the 19,000 level. So now it is pretty much clear that the price is not going to leave this level of 19,000. So I'm taking this level as the support level, and 20,000 I'm taking the resistance. So what has happened basically, recently, or you can say in this whole week, the price is basically trading in a range, and the upper range upper level is that, in that range is 20,000 level, and the lower is somewhere around 18,000, but the average comes out to be 19,000 level. So usually, you can see that the price is just taking a support at 19,000, and that's the reason this level becomes really important in the recent times. Now what we can expect? We can expect that the price will again moving to the resistance, maybe in a day or so, maybe today, or in a day or so, and then accordingly, we will just see whether we are getting again a breakout of resistance or a support. So the price is basically hovered here only, and yes, of course, that is happening because of the events that is happening with globally, like all the central banks, they are increasing the rates, and the US market is falling from past 2-3 days, and that is some of the reasons by which we are not very much optimistic, very much sure in the near term, in the near future. So that is the reason I'm taking these two levels, and I'm overall, if you look at the trend, so the price may fall further in the Bitcoin. Now if you talk about the Ethereum, so let me just look at the chart of Ethereum. Okay, now this is the daily chart. Okay, so yes, there was a good fall, and the price took a support. Just a second, let me just remove it. Yeah. So yes, so this is this is the Ethereum chart, and basically the price took a support at 1215 level. So that is the important support level. I'm still taking this level as the support because now the price is trading below than this 100 EMA. So we are getting a sense that okay, we might able to see a fall, and that has actually happened here, and the price took a support at 1215. So this is the immediate support which we can expect at least for the next few days, and the resistance that we can take is 1510. So these are the levels, and overall, if you look at the trend of Ethereum, so it's again, you can say it's started falling, it's coming down, and we just need to see till how long the price holds up this 1215 level. So if the price just holds up taking a support here, we might able to see a little more rally in this particular cryptocurrency. Otherwise the price will again come back to this 1050 level. So that's the story when the price closes below than this 1215 level. So as of now, yes, we can expect that the price is able to move or towards the resistance, which is at 1510. So these are the two things, these are the two cryptocurrencies that we usually talk about, and so I hope this content is useful, and please subscribe to the channel if you are liking this video, liking this content. So also you can just like this video, click on the subscription option, and also you can just hit the notification bell icon, and we'll meet you tomorrow. Till then, happy trading, and thank you so much for watching us.